I'm going through the car wash. Yeehaw. It's really salty and snowy recently on the road, so I need to get all that crud off the truck. I know this isn't very exciting what's going on. Different colors of foam. The brushes. Get my baby nice and clean. Different brushes for the sides. Yeehaw! This is more fun than doing it by hand. More rinsing, more brushes. Now more rinsing. Awesome. I got this stuff put on last time. I got my oil change for a coating on the windshield. It just beads right off. It's super awesome. Thank you, Victory Lube. Oh, almost there. It's just gonna dry it, and then I'll be done. My baby is gonna be clean. Yay!